Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining me again. This is Market Formula. This is where we talk about the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. If you are a trader or you are an investor, if this is your first time of being on this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so that every time I drop a new video, you will get notified. In this video, I'll be looking at the banking sectors. If you are a trader or you are an investor in the Nigerian stock market, come with me as I look into the banking sector this morning. In the month of June, I'm seeing a lot of opportunities in the banking sector. So if you want to invest and you are looking for entry and exit strategy, this is the place where you should be. In front of me here now, I have the NGX banking index. Let's first look at the banking index, then we look at the all share index. Then we look at various banking stock and let's talk about where you can actually buy and you can actually sell this stock. For looking at this, we have a resistance that was broken. This resistance was broken around June 2023, and the price went up. Is now coming back for a retrace. What I am looking at, most likely price might get here on this channel. I keep this channel for going back up. That's one possibility. And this is the monthly chart. Let me step it down to the weekly, and you can see that there is still room for price to come down, see, to this place. And that's the level of, let's say, 678. So there is possibility that the market can get to that level. And looking at this level again, that's 638. This 638 level is a previous resistance that was broken. Market is coming for a support. So most likely price might get here. But if you want the price to get to this level, you might miss entry. So what I advise is from here, you start buying in tranches, you buy little, and if price comes lower, you buy more. That's how to actually do this trade. Let's look at the all share index. You can see that the all share index has really been struggling at this resistance for, this is 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth month. The market has barely retraced. Let me see what the retracement is. Let me check for the retracement for 5 months. For 5 months, market has just struggled to retrace this level. So we are currently at 0.786. Okay, so and that has taken like how many months now? Like 5 months. So from the look of things, market is most likely going to find some support at this level. Let me come to the weekly and see what is happening. You can see last week it was a bull. So but you see, market can still come this low. That's a possibility. But looking at it, if you want the market to come, it might not come. So the best thing is for you to start buying from this level. So I'm looking at the banking sector this week, this month of June, for different entries. So let's just look at those banking stocks, see where the opportunities are, see where the entry and the exits are. The first on my list, and that's what I'm even more interested in, is the access. I have the access bank. For access bank, looking at what is actually happening, you can see that there is a rejection at this level, and market is now coming close to the low of that rejection. From what I'm looking at, if you can get access at this level of 16 naira, 16 naira, 17 naira, fine. And if market still finds uh, dips further, if the market dips further, this is like where I'm expecting market to hit and bounce back, which is 13 naira 10 kobo. But from what I'm looking at, it's actually struggling at this level. So you can start buying from this price of 17 naira, 16 naira, 50, 16 naira, thereabout. Around this zone is a good place to buy. And the possibilities are that that price will still get back to 26 naira. So let's look at another banking stock. Let's look at Zenith. I'm not seeing entry in Zenith because okay, Zenith too is also good. If you get Zenith at 30 naira or thereabout, and if the market dips further, then we are looking for another entry at that price, which is where let's say like 26 naira thereabout. So that's that for Zenith. There are different opportunities in the banking stock this month of June. Let's see Jay's Bank. Jay's Bank. For Jay's Bank, at current price is good entry in case that level is broken. I think in case that level is broken, we are looking at one, two, okay, looking at entry around the zone two, around there. That's what I'm expecting. If it doesn't hold at that price, then we are looking at 1 naira 34 kobo for entry in Jais Bank. Let's look at another stock, Unity Bank. For Unity Bank didn't hold at this level, but what I'm looking for entry is also around here, which is 92 kobo. But at this current price, Unity Bank is a good buy. Looking at this is just the move for the week. Let me check it on the monthly. Okay, you can see that is a good buy for for our entry. So let's look at another bank, Fidelity. Oh, Fidelity is already moving. I'm not sure. I've interrupted my video. Don't worry, I will edit it. As you can see, Fidelity is already bouncing off the 50 period moving average. Okay, off the Fidelity is already bouncing off the 40 SMA. So for Fidelity, if you can still get entry around that 8 naira 60 kobo, it's good. Let's look at another bank. Uh, we have MPF. Okay, for MPF, let's check the monthly. Okay, for MPF, this is also a good entry for that stock. This is also a good entry for that stock. Or we look at a level like this place for another entry, which is a 1 naira 40 kobo. Let me check the weekly. Okay, at this current price is good for partial entry. Just enter, buy little, then wait. If case price dips further, can buy more at that 1 naira 40 kobo. So another stock we are looking at. Let's look at Living Trust. There's no trading opportunity here. Let's look at Infinity. No trading opportunity. Let's look at UBA. Okay, for UBA, entry around 19 naira 20 kobo is good. Entry around 19 naira 20 kobo, then hold. Then, if case price wants to dip further, this is another level we are looking to enter around here for a push up. Okay, so I think we have two more banks We have GT GT Co. Oh, GT is already pushing up. So there is no entry here anymore. Entry should have been around 30 naira. Let's look at FBNH. FBNH. Okay, for FBNH, I can get entry buy at 20 naira 30 kobo, 20 naira 35 kobo. This is what we are expecting. And if markets dip further, we are looking for another entry around 16 naira. Another entry around 16 naira. So one more ETI, and I think that should be the last bank. Okay, for ETI, Eco Transnational, let me delete all this previous analysis. This is actually a good entry for buy because we are currently at 40 SMA. That's the 40 simple moving average level at 21 naira. So in case price does not hold there, we wait to come and buy at another price around 14 naira, 14 naira 40 kobo for another push up to that level. I think that will be all for this video. Till next time when we meet again and look at the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market. This is Market Formula saying bye for now.